So welcome to online learning with Dana. I am your instructor Dana Shahzad. So we are going to create a CMS content management system. So about content management system we have already introduction. We have given an introduction, brief introduction what we are going to create, and all about the layout and design and development. So let's have a look of our CMS system. Login, admin, login, yes, that is the content management system that we are going to create. And at the first part it will be about the design part, that we will create a design all HTML and CSS, pure HTML and CSS. So this will be our CMS. So just log out and go to your admin. So for CMS I have already created a login system, and it will be the continuous series of that login system. So if you are new to about this CMS, you must have to go through my previous lectures about login system, because I have brief all the required things about the directory structure and the codeigniter settings and configuration, and all about the htaccess file, how to configure it. So I am not going to cover this at this series of CMS. If you have any confusion about the directory structure and what I am going to do, so just go to my previous lecture and have a complete look of a login system, and I will carry out the same directory for that CMS. At the end of the lecture of login system, we have just given only the simple dashboard, and we will now design that dashboard to a CMS, totally in a CMS. So if we go to our view class, and under that admin we have a simple dashboard. So just go to browser, localhost, login, admin. So in a login system we have created that layout and the development. If I log into that part, just go to a simple dashboard. So now we are going to design that dashboard to a CMS, that we have given an overview about that. So let's go back to our Dreamweaver, and for that just create some include some new files, header and footer, it will be our footer. In footer, remove all that and just keep that part body and HTML, and header, no need to give a title, and for that okay. Move that body and HTML, only there will be a body element and closing body element and HTML. So inside that header, now let's start. First div class wrap id width, and close that wrapper at here, close that div, comment it and wrap. Go to your header, under that wrapper we create a div id header and header. Under that header div id top and top. Div class left, div class left. Then that paragraph welcome strong element close paragraph. If I save it and if I go to my, now let's and then go to our dashboard. Move that body part, move that, because we have already a body and HTML in our element in header and footer already set, so there is no need of that body and header and HTML part and remove all that. I think we should remove all the element from that and just include the header file here. PHP include under include directory there is a header.php file. Save it, shift home, copy, paste, footer.php. Now let's go to a browser, go back, login. Include header, no such file or directory. Save all. Footer. Refresh again. Yes, another refresh now. Control S. Control S. And same message. Give it extension. Control S. Message clear. Okay. So we have given include directory out of our admin directory and we are giving a wrong path, so that's why the header and footer are not accessible. So we move the directory into our admin directory and the path is now clear. So let's do something in our header and top. Let's complete our HTML part first, then we will do its CSS. Div id content and that is another id sidebar and sidebar, and let's close that content in our footer. And content. So save it. It was prompting because I have moved my file from directory, that's why they giving the error. So now create another div class box and box, under that div another div class htitle heading title. Close the div heading title, and it will be first one will be products, and before that use with the number sign 8250. If we save it, resend. So viewers, we are just moving forward, creating our HTML of design part, and we have just created a welcome and a product, a header and title, some directory structure, and the div header and footer and all that. We will continue that. I will see you in the next lecture. So please stay tuned and keep sharing and liking. Now, thanks.